our class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only
Yes, ma'am.
33 participants. Let them come. Okay, children. So last class we just started tropical deciduous forest. Is we completed, children?
Yes.
All that points we have completed.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Anyway,
Yes,
we will
ma'am.
discuss again. Okay. So the tropics. Okay. So tropical region means that the places in between the equator and Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn.
Capricorn.
Okay, that you mean by tropical region. And deciduous trees, it means?
It shed their leaves.
Yes, the trees
In
shed
the
their
season.
leaves. Yes, the trees that used to shed their leaves. Okay, so from these we can understand about the tropical deciduous forest. Okay, yes, we'll discuss about it.
Mahinandra classroom students sound is coming.
Which were audio, children? Okay. See, children, the tropical deciduous forest, okay, it is also known as monsoon forest. Okay, the tropical deciduous forest, it is also known as monsoon forest. Okay, and what this type of forest has been?
India,
Large part
Australia,
of
India and North
Central America.
Yes, yes, yes. India, Northern Australia, and Central
Central
America.
America.
Central
All these
America.
type of tropical deciduous forests can be found in large part of India and Northern Australia and also in Central America. Okay, and the speciality of this region, that is, this region experiences seasonal change. Okay, when we talk about tropical evergreen forest, okay, we discussed that this region, yes,
Won't
tell me,
shed their
children.
leaves.
Yes, do not shed their leaves, and that
It
region
doesn't
experiences
color.
heavy rainfall throughout the year.
Yeah.
Okay, and as there is no particular dry season, they do not shed their leaves. Okay, but children, here in tropical deciduous forest, okay, this region experiences seasonal change, and the trees used to shed their leaves in dry season to conserve water. Okay, to conserve water, the trees shed their leaves in dry season to conserve water. Okay, children. See, listen. In these areas, this monsoon forest, okay, in these areas, vegetation is affected by the seasonal contrast of temperature and rainfall. Means that this region experiences seasonal changes. Okay, that means there is changes in temperature and rainfall. Is it clear, children? This region experiences seasonal changes. Okay, trees shed their leaves in dry season, okay, to conserve water and pick up new leaves in the rainy season. Okay, and these forests are not very dense. Okay, it is not very dense like tropical evergreen forest. Okay, it is not very dense, and also the trees of deciduous forest are medium height. Okay, not tall, big,
Medium of height.
like evergreen forest. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then the hardwood trees, okay, can be found over here. That is teak, sal, sisham, that we have discussed on the last class, right?
And when we was discussing the sisham only.
Sisham, yeah, that time the audio problem happened, right?
Ma'am, will you show that sisham?
Yes, yes, I will show you. Wait. So, children, take sal, Okay, and Shisham, all these are the main hardwood trees found in the tropical deciduous forest. Okay, any three trees name and any three animals name you need to study. Okay, children. Yeah, three examples for each. And main animals: lion, tiger, elephant, lion. Okay, yes, monkey. All these animals are found. Monkey, langoose. Okay, all
Bear.
these types of animals are found in the tropical deciduous forest. Okay, and see, children, we have just discussed that the tropical deciduous forests are found in India, large part of India, right?
Yes.
Okay, in India, we could see this tropical deciduous forest in Madhya
Madhya
Pradesh,
Pradesh, Uttar
Uttar
Pradesh,
Pradesh,
Bihar,
Bihar,
Chhattisgarh, Orissa,
Bihar,
and
Chhattisgarh,
Chhattisgarh,
parts of
and
Orissa,
parts of
and parts
Maharashtra.
of
Maharashtra.
in
Maharashtra.
all these places, we could see the tropical evergreen forest, sorry, tropical deciduous forest in India. Okay, large part of India, we can see this tropical deciduous forest. Okay, and children, just we will compare this two. After that, we will move to the new topic. That is tropical evergreen and deciduous. Okay, children, what is evergreen forest also known as?
It will
Tropical rainforest.
Rainforest.
Tropical rainforest.
Forest. Okay, tropical rainforest. Okay, see, children, don't be confused it with, because after this we are going to study temperate evergreen and temperate deciduous. Okay, so while you are studying, study it thorough. Okay, and what is the other name of tropical deciduous forest?
Monsoon
Monsoon
rainforest.
forest.
rainforest.
Yes. Okay. And where it is being located, children? Evergreen forest?
Near the
Near
equator.
Near
Yes.
the
the
Okay,
equator
near
equator.
and
to the
tropics.
equator. Near to the
And close to
equator
the
and
poles. Close
Close
to
close
to
to
the
the
the,
poles.
yes, close to
or
Tropics.
to
the
the tropics.
tropics. And what about this one?
Large parts of
Yeah,
Close
India,
to the
large
equator and near
parts
to
of
the
Australia,
tropics.
Northern
Central,
parts of India.
then
Central,
northern,
Northern
Northern
Australia, Central America.
Australia. Central America.
Central America. Okay, then the next difference.
Don't shed their leaves or
Yeah,
their
the
hairs.
trees do not shed their leaves
Leaves
in
throughout the year.
evergreen forest. Yes, but here in deciduous forest,
They shed their
shed
leaves
their leaves to
to conserve
conserve
water.
water. Their leaves to conserve water. Okay, then what about seasonal change?
Rainfall and sunshine throughout the year.
Oh, rainforest,
It's very
It
rainy.
get efficient.
evergreen forest. Ah,
Efficient rain and sunlight.
heavy rainfall throughout the year. Yes,
Heavy rain.
Heavy rainfall.
this region experiences heavy rainfall throughout the year, but here they are experiencing seasonal change.
Change.
Seasonal changes.
Okay, and main hardwood trees found over here in evergreen forest.
Rosewood,
Rosewood,
mahogany, ebony,
mahogany,
Mahogany.
And
bamboo,
Ebony and
Mahogany.
bamboo,
mahogany.
bamboo.
Well, Then this one about deciduous forest.
Sandwood,
Sal,
teak,
teak,
saltfish,
neem,
sesame.
shisham. Okay. All these type of trees are found in deciduous forest, tropical deciduous forest. Can you tell any other differences?
Evidence.
Evergreen
Animals, animals, animals. Tell me the name of the animals in tropical
Tiger,
evergreen forest.
lizard,
Apes,
lizard,
bats, lizard. Okay.
alligator,
Yes, alligator, crocodile, all
I'm
these
very
types of
reptiles.
animals.
Reptiles.
Now, all
I'm
these types
reptiles.
of animals can be seen in tropical evergreen forest. And what about deciduous forest, children?
Tiger, golden
Elephant, tiger, lion,
elephants,
elephants.
Lion. Okay, any three. Okay, children. So these are the differences between when we compare the tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. These whole differences are found. Okay, children. See, children, all these points, is it clear to you?
yes ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we move to the next portion because then we are going. Yeah. Who is this? You want to write it? No need. Okay, this is a question answer that I will send you today. Okay, children.
yes ma'am,
Okay. Okay, this is a question, 5 mark question. Okay. I think these points are clear to you. Okay, let me make someone to tell. Okay, someone to tell the answer. Amal is here. Okay, Gauri, can you tell the first point?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
this is Amal.
Gauri,
Ma'am,
tell me.
evergreen forests are known as rainforest.
Yes, evergreen forest. It is also known as tropical rainforest.
Rainforest.
Okay,
And deciduous forest is known as tropical monsoon forest.
monsoon forest. Okay, okay, Gauri. Then Ishal, can you tell me the second point? Any one point?
Evergreen forest lies near the equator
No,
and close to the
near to the
tropics,
near to the
and
equator and close to
forest
the tropics. Okay, then deciduous
and
forest.
deciduous forest
Hmm.
um, in
No, large part of
large
India.
part India and North Australia and
Yes.
Central America.
America. Okay. So this tropical deciduous forest is found on large part of India, Northern Australia, and Central America. Okay. Then Lakshmi, yeah, tell me.
trees like mahogany, rosewood, and
The main
ebony.
hardwood trees found in which forest?
Tropical rainforest,
No. Okay, tell me.
rosewood,
Rosewood,
mahogany, and
mahogany,
ebony.
and ebony. Okay, then tropical evergreen
Tropical,
forest. Sorry,
tropical
deciduous
deciduous,
forest. Hmm.
teak, sal,
Sal,
shisham,
shisham. Okay, take sal, neem, shisham. All these trees are found in.
eucalyptus.
Yes. Abhinand Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the next difference.
Ma'am, I came late.
You came late, but it was discussed in the last class. Carlin, can you tell me?
tropical evergreen forest receives heavy rainfall.
Yeah.
Deciduous forest, it is seasonal changes.
Okay, experiences seasonal changes. See, children, the tropical evergreen forest, as it is located near to the equator and close to the tropics, okay, means plenty of sunlight and rainfall it is available. So that region experiences heavy rainfall throughout the year. Okay, so there is
They
no
do not shed
particular-
their leaves.
so there is no particular dry season. Okay, but the tropical deciduous, these region experiences seasonal
Dry
regions. Okay, Okay, clear, children? Is it clear to you?
Ma'am, your sound become
Yes,
low.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me the next one. Next point.
Main animals. Animals.
Animals found. Okay. Who can tell me? Google, Krishna.
Ma'am.
Google.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the animals found in both forests.
Which?
First, you tell me about evergreen forest. Evergreen forest.
The forest which get rain
No, 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 no.
every.
I'm asking all other points they have just discussed. Okay, they have told, many of them have told the other points. Can you tell me which all animals are found in this tropical deciduous and evergreen forest?
Tropical forest.
Google, are you not listening? Anan,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me.
Elephant,
Ah,
lion, bear,
yes, which forest? Tropical
deciduous.
deciduous forest. Okay, so tropical
Ma'am, in
deciduous
middle
forest we
exam,
can
she
see.
have network problem, so can she see the recorded class?
Yeah, sure. She sent she have sent the message, right?
Yes, in
Okay,
the
you.
chat box.
Okay. Okay, so the tropical deciduous, many animals like lion, elephant, tiger, all these animals are found. Okay, and apes, bat. Okay, all these are found. Means there means mostly occupied the trees of the tropical evergreen forest. Okay, can you tell me any other difference, children?
Tropical evergreen forests are dense.
Yeah, very good, Parvati. The tropical evergreen forests are dense and also tall trees can be found in tropical evergreen forest.
Forest.
Okay, but in deciduous forest, the trees are of medium height. Okay, and also not
Not so
so
From narrow.
dense.
Not
Yeah,
very
not so
dense.
dense. Yeah. Then any other? No, right?
No,
Okay. Yes. Why this evergreen forest are being called as evergreen? Why is it evergreen?
Because it does not lose their
It's
color or shed their leaves.
Yeah, they do
ma'am,
not
they will
means
not shed their
as they are receiving heavy rainfall every year. There is no particular dry season, so they do not shed their leaves in any of the season, so that they are known as evergreen forest. Okay, and the thick canopies. Some
Some disturbing
disturbance,
noise.
yeah, the thick canopies, okay, does not allow the sunlight to reach inside to the ground. Okay, then deciduous, the term itself we could understand that the trees which used to shed their leaves.
Leaves.
Okay, so is it okay, children? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Google, study and listen the class well. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, we will start our revision next week. Next week we will begin our revision. Okay, and Friday one period we will means we'll check your activity. Okay, I know some students, those who have already submitted, but still I need to get some more
Ma'am, the
students.
layers of that
Inside
layers of the
our
earth.
me.
Okay, so Friday
Ma'am,
one period
the
we will.
layers of the
Ma'am,
earth.
I done already, but I didn't show to you.
Who is this?
And
And
Ah,
Can I show to you now?
Anthony.
okay. Let me see on that means on Friday. Okay, those who did not
ma'am, it
send
is the
till now,
layers of the earth.
actually it is
layers of the
layers
earth.
of the earth. Okay, but some of you, okay, had sent me the picture of layers of atmosphere, but I had just given the marks. Okay, I just given the marks. Okay, children, shall we move to
Yes, ma'am.
next portion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we
Yes,
are
ma'am.
going to study temperate evergreen forest and temperate deciduous forest. Okay, so the term tropical, from the word tropical, that means close to the equator and near to the tropics. Okay, so what would it mean by temperate?
Because
Temperate zone.
Yeah. Okay, it is in temperate zone. Okay,
Temperate
what is the atmosphere? Means what is the condition of temperate zone, children?
Moderate.
Atmospheric condition.
Leads to sunlight.
Everything is moderate.
Slanting rays of the sun, not least. Least means very less.
That is
Okay.
in the poles.
Yes, that is in poles. Okay, slanting rays means that.
Slightly.
Yes, that means moderate climate. Neither it is too cold nor it is
Not
too
too
hot.
hot.
Okay, so moderate climate. So the climate is means the cool climate. Okay, because it is not so hot at the same time, not so cold also. Okay, so average climate, moderate climate. Huh? Whose audio have, I don't know, someone's audio have some problem. Is it Adityan?
No.
Adityan?
Aditya.
Okay, children. So just we'll move on to yeah, temperate deciduous forest. Yeah. Children, just open your textbook. If these letters are not clear, just open your textbook with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so temperate deciduous forest. Okay, as the title itself, we will get an idea about temperate zone. Okay, that is, this region is experiencing a mild climate. Okay, neither it is too hot and nor it is too cold over here.
Can I zoom it?
If I zoom, I think it will not be clear to you. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will explain the points. That time you just note it down, children. See, children, as we go towards higher latitudes, see, children, what do you mean by higher latitudes?
Ma'am,
Temperate zone. Temperate zone.
Okay, in
Temperate
between,
zone.
that means that
mountain areas and all.
see, children, the region in
Ma'am, can
between.
you hear me?
Between
Yes,
tropics and poles.
yes,
Ma'am,
I can
going
hear.
far away from equator. Going away from
Between
equator.
tropics and poles.
Between Antarctic circle or Antarctic or Arctic
Tropics.
circle and poles.
Tropics,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Between Antarctic or Arctic circle and poles. South or north. Do you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So as we go, yes. Yes. Are you saying something?
No, ma'am, you say.
Okay, see, children, as we go towards higher latitudes, there are more temperate deciduous forest. Okay, and do you know, children, it is found in northeastern part of USA. Just mark in your textbook. It is there in your textbook. USA.
China.
Yes, China.
New Zealand.
New Zealand. Chile.
Brazil.
Chile.
Yes, Chile. Okay. So in these places, we can see temperate deciduous forest.
And in Western Europe.
Okay. So children, as we go towards the higher latitudes, that means in between the Antarctic and Arctic circle and to the poles, okay, we could see temperate deciduous forest. Okay, and these types of forest are found. Okay, mostly these types of forest are found in
Coastal
yes,
regions.
USA, China, New Zealand, and Chile. Any three names just you study by heart, children. Okay, any three name of any countries, that is USA, China, New Zealand or Chile. Which one is easy for you? Just select any three. Okay.
USA, China,
And
Chile.
US, Chile.
Okay, that means we could see USA, Chile, China, okay, and all some places, New Zealand. Okay, in all these places, we could say the temperate deciduous forest.
Forest.
Okay, then the characteristics means the features. Okay, the
Ma'am,
cool climate. Yes, yes.
ma'am, in Brazil also it's there, right?
Yeah, yeah, it is. Okay. See, children, the cool climate. Any three name, unless it is very hard for you to study all these countries' names. So I just limited it to any three. Okay, any three you can choose and write. Okay, children. So the cool climate of this region, it is favorable for the forest growth. Means we know that the climate of temperate zone, it is means average climate, moderate climate. So the cool climate, okay, of this region, it is favorable for the forest growth. Okay, the trees are generally deciduous in nature. What do you mean by deciduous? You know that. What is it? Used to shed their leaves.
Yes.
Okay, so the trees found in temperate deciduous, that is deciduous in nature. That means that they used to shed their leaves. Okay, so this region experiences a cool climate. Okay, and the trees are generally deciduous in nature. And most of the trees have thick trunks, okay, and broad leaves. Thick trunks and broad
Leaf.
leaves, yes. And they shed their leaves in autumn season and remain leafless. What do you mean by leafless, children?
Without any
With no
leaves.
Without
leaves.
any leaf.
With
And
no
see, children,
leaves.
in our surroundings also we could see some types of trees that during the winter time it would
It
be
sheds their leaf
leafless.
completely.
Ah, yes.
And
Be
mahogany.
leafless. Yes. Mahogany
Yes, ma'am.
and
The
teak
house
also,
used to
teak
shed their leaves.
sometimes, teak.
Hmm.
And have you seen badam trees, children? Badam trees.
No.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Badam trees
Yes, ma'am.
found in our
Badam tree.
area. Yes, badam trees that also found in our areas that will that would be leafless during winter time. Okay. So children, this region experiences a cool climate. Okay, the trees are deciduous in nature. Okay, and the trees have thick trunks and broad leaves. Okay, and they shed their leaves in autumn season and remain leafless during the winter time. And the main trees found in this one: oak,
Oak, ash center.
ash, okay, beech, okay, all these trees. Any three you just study, which
Maple.
trees names are there in the textbook?
Douglas
um,
fir.
Oak, ash, and beech. Okay, so you can study
Birch.
this one. Oak, ash, and beech. All these trees, they shed their leaves in the dry season, and the common trees are oak, ash, and beech. Many trees are found. Any tree name? Okay, oak, ash. That is easy
Beach.
for you to remind, right? Just it is easy, right?
Yes.
Oak, ash, and beech. Okay. Then the animals. Okay. Deer, fox.
Squirrel.
Yeah, fox, wolf.
Beavers.
Yes. Okay. Are the main animals found on this region. Three: deer, fox, and wolf. It is easy for you to remind, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
These types of animals, the main animals found on this temperate deciduous forest, that is deer,
Deer,
fox,
fox,
and
wolf,
wolf. Yes.
squirrel.
Yeah, wolf. And see, children, some birds also. Okay, birds like pheasant. See, children, its picture is there in your textbook. Pheasant
Johnson Monarch.
and monarch.
And
Yes,
monel.
monarch. Yes. All these birds also found in the temperate deciduous forest.
There is a special type of peasant, right? Golden Egypt peasant.
Yes, yes. 2 minutes. Okay, so children, thus, as we go towards the higher latitudes, we could see the temperate deciduous forest. Okay, and this region experiences very cool climate, and the trees are deciduous in nature. Okay, the trees are deciduous in nature. And which all places we can see? USA,
USA, China,
China, New
Japan,
Zealand,
Korea,
USA,
Japan,
and
okay,
coastal regions.
Europe,
yeah,
Chile,
Chile.
South
Finland.
In
Chile.
all these places, we can see this
New Zealand.
temperate, yes, temperate deciduous forest. Okay, and main animals found on this region,
Wolf,
animals,
fox,
fox, deer, wall,
squirrel,
Wolves,
deer,
all these animals
beavers,
are found on this
Squirrel.
region. Okay, and the this main trees, the common trees, that is
oak, ash,
oak,
ash,
ash,
beech,
and
maple, Douglas fir,
maple,
cedar.
Ash beach.
redwood.
all these trees and animals are found in this region. So children, we'll study about temperate evergreen forest in the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So I hope it is clear to you, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Okay. What do you mean by deciduous, Malavika? Malavika, can you answer me?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by deciduous? Deciduous trees. Anthony, it's very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. I have told you, if you know that meaning only, means you could know the difference between these two.
Trees which shed their leaves.
Oh, very simple. I think you have studied from
Ma'am, I didn't hear.
standard onwards, I think. Okay, deciduous trees means that the trees
Which shed their
Which
leaves.
shed their
shed
leaves.
their leaves.
Their
Okay,
leaves.
and this
Shed
temperate
their-
deciduous forest. Okay, temperate deciduous forest. As we go higher latitudes, okay, as we go higher latitudes, we could see the temperate deciduous forest. Okay, and here they are experiencing very cool climate. Okay, and the trees are deciduous in nature. Okay, that means they used to shed their leaves. Okay, in dry season. And see children, sometimes means
They are
could be
leafless.
leafless. Okay, then children, which all parts we could see this type of forest?
Chile,
USA,
Chile,
China,
USA,
New
China,
New
New
Zealand.
Zealand
Zealand,
regions specific.
And which all animals can be
Japan.
found? Which all animals?
fox, deer,
Wolves,
squirrel,
and deer.
Yeah, and okay, and birds like birds,
Peasant,
And
peacock
monarch.
and
monarch,
monarch. Then trees.
oak,
Ash,
beech,
birch,
Okay.
maple,
ash, oak,
Ash, oak,
beech, birch,
wood,
all these trees are
Caesar,
maple,
redwood,
temperate
Douglas
deciduous
redwood.
forest. Okay, children. So, children, just read the textbook after this. Okay, and today I will send the notes to you about two questions. I will send you today. Okay, children. So, bye. See you.
Ma'am, every chapter only 5 questions.
Thank you.
Every
Chapters only 5 questions.
hey, no. This chapter we have more questions. Last two chapters it was easy, right? Only some
Ma'am,
questions.
when you sent the PDF, I thought only 2 questions are there in this chapter.
Which one? This chapter, right? Yeah, that I will upload this week itself.
Okay,
Thank you.
ma'am.